Hello human bodies. Welcome to a new video. It's Rayhan from Triangle Photo Editing channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create passport size photo using Photoshop. So let's begin. First open Photoshop and import a photo in it. Remember that Ctrl and Alt button will be replaced by Command and Option button if you are using a Mac. And all the keyboard shortcuts are pretty much same. Now go to the toolbar and select the crop tool. Set length 40 mm, height 50 mm, and resolution 300 pixel. This is the standard size of passport size photo. Now adjust the cropping position. And click on this OK icon. Zoom in a little bit by pressing Ctrl and plus button on your keyboard. And press Ctrl and minus button for zooming out. Now press Ctrl and L button for opening the level adjustment window. Adjust the level for making the photo more sharp. Click OK button. Now go to the toolbar and select the Quick Selection tool. Then make selection on background by dragging like this. Select a color for background. I'm selecting blue color. Right-click on the selected area and go to Feather. Set feather radius 1 pixel, click OK button. Now press Ctrl and backspace, for applying the background color. Press Ctrl and D button for remove the selection. Now the passport size photo is created. But hey, the process is not finished. Press Ctrl and N button for adding a new page. Select International Paper, A4 size. Go to your old page. As you can see, the layer is locked. Double click on this lock icon for unlock this. Now select the Move tool. Drag the photo to your new page. Press and hold Ctrl and Alt button, and create how many copies you want. I've created 4 copies. So I have 4 extra layers. Press and hold Ctrl button and select those layers. Right click on it and click on Merge Layers. Now you can create 4 copies at a time. Now press Ctrl and P for opening this printing window. Set how many pages you want to print and click on this print button. I'm canceling because no printers are connected with my computer at the moment. Please subscribe my YouTube channel if you like my tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. I am Rayhan. Signing out.